Good morning. We are on day 3. Cooking the breakfast. Yeah, nice. Oh, good, good. Let's see what you're working with here. Oh, nice. Oh, that looks good. When is it ready?
Now it's ready.
Oh, I was going to go swim, but I'll eat first and then swim.
Yeah. After swim, fruit salad.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. All right, breakfast first and a quick swim. It's a nice day. It's like blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. Monkeys trying to get in our tent this morning. Spider inside of the mosquito net yesterday. Literally, I was laying down. Josh come in, showing the torch, and there was a big spider, like a wolf huntsman or whatever it is. I don't know what they're called. Just sitting there. So we had to get the guy to come get it out. But they're not. He was touching it. I'm not that scared of them ones. They're big, but I mean, I moved, but I didn't feel that threatened. Trying to dry stuff out. Still wet. It's not going to happen. There we go.
Yeah.
Gonna get my. That's what happens when you got food in the jungle. All the monkeys are coming. They're all watching. Oh, there's a big one there. The big one's gonna get me. The big one's there. The angry one. All gone. Finished. Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Very good, tasty.
Fish?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Right, I'm getting in the river. Yeah. Sure. You got loads left, that's why. The current was a bit strong now, I'm going to go up here a bit. That was good. That was refreshing. Josh getting attacked by the monkeys. Yeah, nice view, nice morning. Right, I think the next video or the next bit is going to be us going down the river on our little rubber dinghy. And then back to town. I think it takes half hour or something. And then back to the hotel. Yeah, and then on to the next part, which is Lake Toba, which is the last mega volcano that went off 70,000 years ago or something. And they found like ash on it for all the way in Africa. So I'm excited about that one. I don't know what's there. We're staying in a place called Tuk Tuk. Yeah, and then after that, we don't have any plans really. We've got a rough idea of where we want to go, but yeah, just make it up as we go along. Up until now, we kind of planned it all really, but yeah. Okay, and we're off. Gonna dinghy down the river. Oh, I'm looking forward to getting back to civilization a little bit. 2 nights out in the jungle. My legs, my body's just aching, absolutely aching. Just from climbing and that. Oh. Stones in my shoe. Okay, thanks.
Bye.
Okay. Here ya.
Okay.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Boleh. Mau bang? Step mau aku berenang. Here we go. It's fun, ya?
Yeah, yeah.
Cuk ah. Jungle track in Bukit Lawang, hey hey. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan, hey hey. Jungle track in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan, hey. Walking in jungle, hey hey. The animal, hey hey. Walking together in Bukit Lawang, hey hey. Singing together, hey hey. Dancing together, hey hey. Everything together in Bukit Lawang. Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, see orangutan, hey hey. Jungle trek in Bukit Lawang. See the monkey, see the bird, but everybody goes. Yeehaw!
That's definitely a rock.
Easy.
Where's the waterfall?
Yeah.
Aman, dude.
Chef and captain.
Lewat, aman.
Hariku cepatlah ke ini. Rafting. Turtle. Big turtle there. Yeah. Kupu-kupu garden. Ini ada butterfly.
Okay.
So Indonesian butterfly.
Jepang apa Korea?
Oh, guest house.
Korea.
Korea, yeah.
Flag ya.
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah, Korean flag.
Haji Master. Hah? Mana? Ini yang bilang. Bukan lah. Kalau itu pakai ada panjat. Loh, berapa kilo? Iya. Kira kilo lah, nggak kira ikan. Pakai mukul orang mah.
Watch your head. Wah, lu dorong itu.
Itulah. Kalau lari ke sana nih. Aman-aman kok. Ini tangan surat kalau itu. Hah? Mau dapat STM apa sudah nih? Ya.
Very nice, very good. Very nice. You going back again?
Yeah, upriver swimming, yeah.
Medan.
Maybe in the afternoon later, we'll do some again. 1% each, one soup.
Yeah.
Itu yang apa ini? Yang berhenti ini.
It's cold. Still cold.
Jemput. Mas. Oh, itu waterfall.
Yeah.
teknik. Om.
That's a nice hotel there.
Yeah. That's the one we're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, no petrol. Oh my god.
Sometimes monitor ninja around here.
On the side, yeah.
Oh, where's it?
Mermaid.
Mermaids, yeah.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Traditional massage, yeah. But them two guys probably.
Yeah.
Ready guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasih ombak aja.
Jangan lupa ya. One. Here we go. Ready. Woo-hee. Woo. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Woo. Let's go. Start it. Woo. Woo. Yeehaw. Woo.
That was a wet one. Oh, look at the stone.
Yeah.
Someone balanced it. Thought it was an arrow.
Waterfall.
For the toilet, huh?
Yeah.
Tempat dia tinggal. Samping yang oren.
Ada terasnya aja.
Ini ya. Ah, satu.
Apa?
Mana ada dia? Dia kalau tamangan sama orang ya.
Ini punyanya apa? Punyanya Tambar.
Tambah.
Ya, sewakan. Ini punya Mardan, sewakan. Iya, punya Mardan. Mau makan. Mau Mardan kaya. Tadi.
Nah, salah HP kan.
That's a rough one.
Di mana situ kanan?
Mana, Mas?
Dorong bang, dorong.
Right up.
Yeah, I know, my coccyx taking a battering.
Where's he gone?
Where's he gone?
Dorong bang.
Okay.
Situ
Yeah, it's
aslinya.
Oh, he gone. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. We've lost him. The captain's gone. The captain's gone.
Di kanan dulu ya.
No, he's alright. I think he done it
Nah,
messing around.
yang driver.
Oh no, yeah.
Yan, kanan yan. Habis. Berhenti dulu. Kita. Ingat. Kanan, bukan kiri.
kanan.
Kanan aku nggak tahu yang depan ini.
Okay, you captain, huh?
No petrol.
No petrol yet.
Turun kita dulu.
Udah, nggak usah, abang, nggak usah. Running in the water.
Yeah, Jesus.
Nah, kau kanan.
Kasih kasih.
I'm here. Oke. Lepas. Udah terpegang setir itu. Aman, Bang. Jungle massage. Jungle massage.
It is the jungle massage. Okay.
Oh, dalam, ledut ini oh. Udah, turun ke tengah.
Enggak, jangan dulu. Dayung ya, John ya.
Wah, narik kaki enggak napak.
Terus, stay.
Udah, aku udah di sebelah kanan kok.
Udah aman.
Belok.
Very easy.
Dayung yang salah itu, arah dayung itu.
Kompom.
Perfect.
John. Salah aku tadi. Kayak mana dayung tadi? Salah, sebaliknya.
Balik mana?
Gini, ini kalau membelokkan dia. Bukan gitu.
Ini bukan kapal, Bri. Tahu ini, gua ketawa aja kok. Bukan sampan kayak gitu.
Belok dia. Gila, belum
Napak kaki gua.
Dalam.
Dalam.
Oh yeah. Wait for the rock.
Welcome to Bukit Lawang ya.
Yeah. Back home.
Back home.
No, that's good. 20 minutes so far. 16 minutes.
Gak bisa gitu kata dia.
Apa ya? Tahu lambat turunan tadi. Ngambil kanan. Kau modelnya nyetingnya
Salah
nunggu.
pembeda jalan tadi memang.
Kau nyetingnya nunggu modelnya. Model kau diam. Nunggu aku nyeting kan nyeting modelnya. Kok nggak rame ya?
Ini ya.
Iya.
Air biasa ya.
Pagi lah pula.
Tuh, sebelas kok. Nggak ada situ. Baju merah, jemput pelari. Baju merah, jemput pelari.
Bagus juga tuh tua. Bagus.
Yeah, yeah.
Long bridge.
We walked past the island one, didn't we?
Oh yeah, yeah, we did. Yeah, right. Hello.
Ini namanya payah jalan itu yang bagus. Batunya ini.
Kayak yang beroncong ini tuh, depan itu.
Itu.
Ini ya kan beroncongnya kan. Ini bang. Banyak kawatnya. Yang tengah itu memang ada lah batu.
Kanan.
Pindah itu batunya Anjo.
Mana pindah?
Mana ini? Depan itu apa sih ini?
Itu yang orang-orang itu. Bilang sama Ewe Jol.
Oke.
Paru.
Sini.
Tarik, tarik.
Mana?
Ini.
Ready for the rock.
Oke guys,
Okay.
finish.
Yeah.
Ya.
Again, back.
Yeah. Right.
Get a hand.
Go on, you can get off first.
Oke.
Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Okay. Thank you. Good job, Captain.
Thank you. Kapten paling down.
Ah, Supri. What was the Supri's our guide with Joe. What was the name of your company again?
Explore Sumatra trekking.
Okay, I'm going to link him in the Instagram at the bottom of the video. And yeah, you just contact him on Instagram or WhatsApp, and he'll sort you out. He'll look after you, make the best food. Got the whole team with him, Joe as well, and Jojo, the chef and captain.
Thank you for coming.
Nice, sweet.